Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandy, and I'm sure you may have noticed I missed about a week and a half of upload. It has been hairy around here, you guys. In February, we lost our little Yorkie. She was about 12 and a half and just unwell. And we gave ourselves a little while to grieve. And last weekend took a wild hare and drove a couple hours and got our newest addition to the family, who is a puppy and a little bit exhausting and really lovely. His name is Gizmo because he looks like a gremlin with his big old ears, and he, I think, acts like Spike. So we may have named him incorrectly. This is our first time with a puppy, and so the potty training and the chewing on everything, hands included, has been a little bit of a new experience for us. And that, coupled with a little earlier this week, we lost our cooktop. And so unfortunately this happened. It was just an unfortunate event where a saute pan and gravity met and unfortunately cracked the cooktop. Now I have not ever, there's no love lost, right? I've never loved this cooktop, but you guys know that I am frugal and I usually don't buy a replacement until I really need one. In this case, we really need one. And so we should have that replaced this week. But with the moving of that, you know, emptying out all the cupboards so that we could take the glass top out and then waiting until we get the new one installed to put everything back. It has just been a lot of moving parts on top of a couple other things. So in this season of wildness, I really appreciate your patience with me. I did want to share just a little bit of what was going on behind the scenes, since you see such a small portion of my life, really. And so I do hope that you hang around here with me, and I hope you enjoy the next couple videos I've got ready for you. If you decide that you have run out of videos and you need more, please go back into the historical videos. I've got a lot of golden nuggets there for you to enjoy. And guys, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.